So if you've got a rainy Saturday coming up and you're wondering whether Crayola Experience in Easton, Pennsylvania is actually worth the ticket price, I'm taking you floor by floor through exactly what's there so you can decide if your kids would love it as much as mine did. We went on a rainy Saturday and ended up spending about 3 hours inside, but honestly, we could have easily stayed longer. The first floor is really your entry point, and that's where you find the ticket counter, the retail store, and the cafe. From there, we headed up to the second floor, which is where things really start to open up. This is where you'll find Wrap It Up, which is the station where kids name and design the label for their very own custom Crayola crayon. General admission right now is about $31 per person, but it is $3 cheaper if you buy the tickets online. As part of your ticket price, you get 2 coins per ticket, and you can use it whichever way you want. This Wrap It Up Crayola crayon experience cost us 1 coin. You stand in line for whichever color you'd like to get, and then follow the prompts on the screen to create your custom-made wrap. This is your sticker, and this is your crayon, so we can wrap it up.
It should stay. Okay. The 6 cents you get what? Please don't mess that thing in the board. And it says your name.
This is one of the most popular experiences at Crayola, and the day we were there was particularly busy, but the lines were moving pretty fast, and I do recommend you get this done with your kids as it gives you a pretty neat souvenir to take home. Another thing that was included in the price was a small dolphin toys that you get on the second floor, and you get to decorate it yourself whichever way you'd like. Another interesting experience that the kids liked on the second floor was this avatar making station where they take a picture of you, you pick an avatar, and this machine draws a cartoon version of that avatar, and then you get to color it. They also have this star in your own movie experience where you get to take your creation, whether it's the avatar or the dolphin toy they gave you, and then you pick a movie and then you star in this couple-minute movie. But the experience wasn't for our kids. They were a little bored, but maybe it's good for younger kids. There's also a model magic area where kids sculpt with Crayola's modeling compound, and you get to buy this compound with 1 coin. And as I said before, 2 coins are included per ticket, so of course we give our coins to our kids so they get to have more crayons and more compounds. Now, by the way, since Crayola Experience doesn't have its own dedicated parking lot, don't let that stop you. There's plenty of public parking right around downtown Easton, both metered street spots, which is where we parked, and a couple of parking garages within walking distance. So it was genuinely not a problem for us, and once you're done, Easton has a really cute downtown you can walk around, so it's worth building extra time into your day for that. They also have a theater with timed educational shows, but we missed them because we were way too busy playing. Up on the 3rd floor is where a lot of the bigger physical play happens. There's the activity studio for open-ended crafting, a 2-story color playground, and waterworks that has an 85-foot water table where kids can steer a little crayon-shaped boats. This 2-story playground was a big hit with our kids, and they did not want to leave the area. As you can imagine, this was very busy, especially with younger kids, But the wait for waterworks was pretty long, so my husband was waiting in line for that while the kids played. And next to the playground was this puzzle it area where you get to decorate a square piece of paper, then feed it into a machine and it becomes a puzzle. This was actually my favorite area and I spent a lot of time here while the kids played. Next to Puzzle It was this wax hand making station, but you do need advance reservation for this one. The wax hands are $20 per hand, and it's age 6 and older, and you have to have an appointment in order to do this experience.
Oh, get to the next level. Get to the next level.
Mason, this is like Panama Canal because the water has to fill up and lift the boat up.
Rocks are used to raise and lower the boats.
Yeah, and yes, it's actually hard to open it
Oh,
because
yeah?
of the water.
Oh, the pressure?
Yeah.
And then the top floor, floor 4, is where the melted wax magic happens. This is melt and mold and drip art where kids can create their own keepsakes out of actual melted crayon wax.
So you get to pick 2 crayons, different colors, to make this drip art. And this is free, you don't have to pay anything. And it doesn't even take any tokens.
So basically by the end of our visit, we walked out with a handful of little souvenirs that were all included in the ticket price. A car-shaped crayon, a puzzle the kids cut and assembled themselves, their decorated dolphin toy, and their custom-wrapped crayon. None of that cost extra on top of admissions, which made the ticket price feel like a lot more value than we expected walking in.
On the 4th floor after the drip art, you get to mold a race car. And it's a race car crayon. Oh, it's so pretty. So it's basically a crayon.
So is it worth it? For us, absolutely. My kids were locked in the entire time between the crafting stations and the more digital, interactive places. Honestly, 3 hours flew by faster than we expected. And if you're looking for more nature type experience in the Poconos Mountains, check out the Bushkill Falls video next.